Welcome to Lagupata from Solve the Virtual Labs. The objective of this simulation is to determine total solids, total dissolved solids, total suspended solids, volatile suspended solids, and fixed suspended solids of the given water sample. The setup used for this simulation is shown here. To understand the term, click on the description highlighted in the red. Throughout the simulation, to proceed to the next step, click on this arrow shown below. Let us determine total suspended solids, total dissolved solids, and total solids. Click here to open the bottle. Click on the pipette. Now click here to collect the 50 ml sample and click here in the pipette to release the sample into the beaker. Close the lid. Switch on the weighing machine and click on the crucible to place it in the weighing machine. Note down the weight of the empty crucible. Click there to clear the weight. Now click on the petri dish to place it in the weighing machine. Now click the tear to clear the weight. Click on the filter paper to place it in the weighing machine and note down the weight of the empty petri dish and ashless filter paper. Remove the petri dish from the weighing machine. Select the correct answer in the pop-up question to proceed to the next step. Click on the lid of the membrane filter and open it. Click here to place the filter paper into the filter and close the lid of the membrane filter. Click here to connect the vacuum pump into the filter and switch on the vacuum pump. Click on the beaker and transfer the sample slowly to the membrane filter. Switch off the vacuum pump and click here to disconnect it from the membrane filter. Open the membrane filter. Click on the filter paper and place it in the petri dish. Open the door of the hot air oven. Click on the petri dish and place it in the oven. Now close the door and adjust the temperature to 103 degrees Celsius. Click here to transfer the collected water sample that passes through the filter paper. Click on the pipette to pipette it from the beaker. Click here to pipette the water. Now transfer the water into the clean crucible. Open the door of the oven and place the crucible into the oven. Close the door. Click here to adjust the temperature into 115 degrees Celsius. Select the correct answer in the pop-up question to proceed to the next step. Let this sit in the oven for 24 hours. After 24 hours, remove the petri dish from the oven, close the door, open the door to remove the crucible from the oven. Click here to close the door. Go through the information that appears here carefully and click on the OK. Click here to open the desiccator. Place the petri dish that has been taken out from the hot air oven as well as the crucible and place it in the desiccator. Close the lid and let it cool. Click on the tear to clear the weight in the weighing machine. Now click on the petri dish and place it in the weighing machine. Note down the weight of the empty petri dish plus filter paper plus solids. Click on the tear to clear the weight. Place the crucible into the weighing machine and note down the weight of the crucible plus fixed solids. These are the observations and the findings of the current simulation. We can calculate total suspended solids using the formula. Enter the calculated value here. Click on the check to check the result. Click on the result to find the actual value. Similarly, we can calculate total dissolved solids using the formula and the observation. Enter the calculated value of the total dissolved solids here. Click on check to check the result. We can calculate total solids. Click on the check to check the result. Now let us determine fixed suspended solids and volatile suspended solids. Click on the petri dish to transfer the filter paper into the clean crucible. Now click here to open the muffle furnace. Place the petri dish into the muffle furnace. Close the door. Now ignite the filter paper with the solids in muffle pot at 600 degrees Celsius in a muffle furnace. Click here to open the door. Now remove the pot and place it in the desiccator. Close the lid of the desiccator and let it cool. Select the correct answer in the pop-up question to proceed to the next step. Switch on the weighing machine and place the muffle pot into the weighing machine. Click here to remove it from the weighing machine and note down the weight. Click on the tare to clear the weight. Select the correct answer in the pop-up question to proceed to the next step. These are the observations and the findings of the current simulation. We can calculate fixed suspended solids by using this formula. Enter the calculated value here. Click on check to check the result. Now click on the result to find the actual value. Now calculate the volatile suspended solids using this formula. Click on the check to check the result. Click on the correct answer to the pop-up question to proceed to the next step. This is the inference drawn from the current simulation.